Today we'll be
Today
talking
we'll
about
be
the
talking
city of
about the city of
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.
First of all,
Let
let
me
me
give
give you a little
you a little
background
background
about
about
its
its name.
The
The
original name
original
of the
name
city
of the
was
city was
Washington City.
Washington City.
It was, of
It was,
course,
of
named
course,
after
named
the
after
first
the first
president of the
president of the
United
United
States,
States,
George
Washington.
In later
In
years,
later
the
years,
name was changed to the District of Columbia, and I'm sure you
and
can
I'm
all guess
sure
who
you
Columbia
can
was
all
named after.
guess who Columbia was named
Today,
after.
it's most
Today, it's
commonly
more
called
common
Washington,
Washington,
D.C.,
D.C.,
where D.C.
where
is the
D.C. is the
abbreviated form
abbreviated
of
form
District
of
of Columbia.
District of Columbia.
Now,
Now,
before we go
before
on,
we go
let
on,
me ask
let
you
me
a
ask
question.
you a question.
Can I see
Can
from
I
a
see
show
from
of
a show
hands
of
how
hands
many of
how
you have
many of
ever
you have
been to
ever
Washington,
been to
D.C.?
Washington, D.C.?
About half of
About
you.
half of you.
Well, the half of
Well,
you
the
who've
half
been
of you
there
who've
may
been
have a
there
bit
may
to
have a bit
contribute
to
to this
contribute
discussion
to this
based on your
discussion based on your
experience there.
experience there.
There are 2
There are
points that
2
I'd like to
points
make
that I'd
about
like to
Washington,
make about
D.C.
Washington, D.C.
First of all,
First of
this
all,
city is
this city is
unusual in the
unusual in
United
the United
States
States
because it's the
because
only
it's
U.S.
the only
city that
U.S.
is
city
not
that
part
is
of any
not a part
state.
of any state.
Second of all,
Second of
this
all,
city was
this
the
city
only
was the
U.S.
only
city
U.S.
which,
city
for quite some
for
time,
quite some
was
time
not
was not
self-governing.
self-governing.
Now, let's
Now,
look at a
let's
map
look
of
at a map
Washington,
of
D.C.
Washington,
as we
D.C.
discuss
as
the
we
first
discuss
point.
the first point.
In the early
In
years
the
of
early
the country,
years of the
the
country,
founding
the
fathers
founding
believed that the
fathers
capital
believed
of
that
the
the
United
capital of
States
the
should
United
not be
States should
part of
not be
any
part of
state.
any state.
When a location
When a
was
location
chosen for
was
the
chosen
capital
for the
city,
capital city,
2
two
states,
states,
Maryland and
Maryland
Virginia,
and
were
Virginia,
asked to give
are
up
asked
land
to
for a
give up
capital city.
land for a capital city.
You can see
You
on the
can see
map
on the
that the
map
District
the
of Columbia
District of
was
Columbia was
originally a
originally
square,
a square,
with the Potomac
with the
River cutting
Potomac
through
River
the
cutting
square.
through the square.
The area to the
The area
northeast
to
of
the
the Potomac
northeast of the
originally
Potomac
belonged to
originally
the state
belonged
of
to the state
Maryland,
of Maryland,
and the area
and
to
the
the
area to the
southwest of the
southwest of
Potomac
the Potomac
originally
originally
belonged to the
belonged
state
to the
of
state of
Virginia.
Virginia.
In the middle of the
In the
19th
middle of the
century,
19th
the portion
century,
of the
the
square
portion
that
of the
had
square
previously belonged to Virginia,
had
the
previously
portion
belonged
to
to
the
Virginia, the
southwest of
portion
the
to the
Potomac,
west
was returned to
was
the state
returned
of
to the state
Virginia.
of Virginia.
Today, the
Today,
District
the
of Columbia
District
is
of
no
Columbia
longer
is
a
no longer
square.
a square.
Instead, the District
The
of Columbia
District
is
of
the portion
Columbia
of the
is the portion
square to
of
the
the square to
northeast
the
of the
northeast
Potomac.
of the Potomac.
The second
The
unusual
second
point that
unusual
I'd like
point
to
that
make
I'd
about
like to make
Washington,
about
D.C.
Washington,
is that,
D.C. is
for most of its
for
history,
most of
it
its
was not a
history, it was
self-governing
not a
city.
self-government
When the
city.
city was
When
established,
the city
it
was
was
established, it
decided
was
that its
decided that
government
its
would be
government
appointed
would
by
be
the President
appointed
of
by
the
the
United
President of
States.
the
The
United States.
citizens of
The
Washington,
citizens of
D.C.
Washington,
would not
D.C. would
elect
not
their own
elect
city
their own
government.
city government.
In addition,
In
the
addition, the
citizens of
citizens of
Washington, D.C.
Washington,
for quite
D.C.
some
for
time
quite
had
some
no
time had no
representation in
representation
Congress,
in
and
Congress,
they were
and they were
ineligible to vote for the
ineligible to
President
vote
of the
for the
United
President
States.
of the United States.
The citizens of
The
Washington,
citizens of
D.C. were
Washington,
given the
D.C. were
right to
given
vote
the
for their
right to
government
vote for
only
their government
relatively
only
recently.
relatively recently.
Citizens of
Citizens
Washington,
of
D.C.
Washington,
were
D.C.
first
were
eligible
first
to vote
eligible
for the
to vote
President
for
of
the
the United
President of the
States in the
United States in
1964 election.
1964 election.
They didn't have a
They didn't have a
representative in
representative
Congress
in
until
Congress until
1970,
1970.
and they
Now
didn't
they
elect
didn't
their own
elect their
city
own city
officials
officials
until
until
1974.
1974.
Please read the
Please
chapter
read
on
the chapter
Washington,
on
D.C.
Washington,
in your
D.C. in
textbook
your textbook
and answer
and
the
answer the
questions at the
questions
end of
at
the
the
chapter
end of the
before next
chapter
class.
before next
I'll
class.
see you then.
I'll see you then.
Today, we'll